Okay, folks, we got a fun, quick one today. I am in the process, or have been in the process of building myself a computer desk that is one of those stand-up desks that's got a power motor and you can go from sitting to standing. And I put some drawers on it that are, which hopefully you'll get a photo, but they are historic, they're vintage sewing machine drawers, stack of two, that have like a drawer that has like this size and about that deep, and they came with handle or knobs on them that are I think they're oak, I'm not positive, but one of them is chipped out, and at first I was just going to try to replace this one, but I thought it would be fun to just make my own knobs. Never done that before, ironically, because that's a common wood turning project. So that's the plan today. I don't know if I'm going to make 4 matching knobs or if I'm going to make 4 interesting, fun, practice my techniques and make crazy shapes. I haven't decided yet, but we got this piece of cypress wood. I like the idea of the contrast, so my knobs won't be as dark as these are. These were stained with something, and just going to be a fun little project. So let's start off by making a cylinder, and then we'll start thinking about the shape of our knob.
Ah yes. Knobs. For thousands of years humanity has attached small protrusions to larger objects and declared the storage problem solved. Ancient chests, Roman cabinets, modern desks. All united by the humble knob. Psychologists have long noted that humans possess an irresistible urge to open closed drawers. If a drawer exists, you will open it. If it's locked, you'll become determined to open it. Your species is, at its core, incapable of ignoring a mystery with a handle. Which makes the drawer knob rather important. It is the first point of contact between human curiosity and whatever collection of forgotten cables, receipts, and questionable life choices lies within. Today, Z is making 4 drawer pulls, each with a unique design. Most craftsmen aim for consistency. Z, naturally, has chosen artistic anarchy. Future historians will assume the desk was assembled over several centuries. Still, if these knobs survive both the turning process and Z's craftsmanship, they may serve faithfully for decades. A surprisingly respectable fate. 4 knobs? And considerably more than I expected for Z.
Alright folks, so I made one here. Nice little knob shape. Instead of trying to make 4 identical, which is the professional thing to do, I am going to rather just be creative, because I get bored with the same old, same old. And that way I don't have to justify making perfect copies. Call it lazy, call it creative, whatever. Alright folks, that was fun. Just cranking out some drawer pulls. I enjoyed making the different designs. It keeps my brain challenged, and it keeps my ADD at bay, if you will. I'll go ahead and throw a photo of them on the drawer in the ending credits. But thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments below which one you liked. And otherwise, we'll see you on the next one, and thanks for watching. Bye.